Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to launch BMW X4 M40i only way. Start with a fully warmed engine and tire pressure set for grip, then select Sport Plus and your M settings. Disable traction control, press and hold the brake with your left foot while planting throttle with the right, let revs settle, then release smoothly so launch control manages wheel spin and peak power delivery off the line. In this section, I will explain key pre-launch checks and safety steps to prevent surprises on the run. Warm the tires and engine, and confirm tire pressures are set for the surface. Inspect brakes and steering, clear a safe launch area, and ensure legal permission. Use a flat, dry surface and avoid wet or icy pavement. Practice once to build confidence before attempting full launches. Quick recommendation and subscribe reminder. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleanup effortless after garage sessions and track days. It offers voice control and smart mapping, which saves time so you can focus on the car. Check the description for the link and other deals. Also watch the pin tip for discounts and support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. In this segment, I will explain RPM targets and footwork for consistent launches. Aim for a launch RPM that suits your tune and tires, then hold the brake firmly while applying progressive throttle until launch control engages. Release the brake decisively and maintain steady throttle to avoid bogging or excessive wheel spin. Practice in controlled settings to learn how DSC intervention feels and to refine your timing and throttle modulation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.